How to do a coil spring with a rope on an Audi A4.
A bit of string.
A bit of string.
It's a fucking good Stanley knife then.
Coil spring is so hard to do that we're having to use unconventional ways of going about it.
Stone Age methods.
Stone Age methods. You have to rope it, compress it, rope it, and then take it to the car and then cut it because it's not happening because all your bolts are seized. We can't take an arm off.
We're halfway anyway.
That sound.
What?
They just
stand there.
important.
That's got it. We're nearly there. Right, I need light in here now. We need to line that up. Come on, you get it on. Hold it down.
Down a bit, down a bit.
You got it? You've got it, engaged.
Let's go into it. We're almost there.
All that fucking struggling, eh? So stupid, eh? Spring's too far round. Or is it?
No, it's fine.
It shouldn't engage onto that when this comes out, shouldn't it? Right, now it's a case of, oh, we need transmission jacket sit back job. I used it yesterday and that.
We're going to use wood.
It's a bit dodgy. It's dodgy enough with this, isn't it? Brake cable. I'd have been happier taking it off really, but never mind. Should get it. That's going to have to be back to get it into line, but I mean, that's the least of the fucking problems, isn't it?
Car's going, no, keep going. Keep going. Car's gone, car's gone. Car's gone there.
Car's gone on it.
Yeah, we'll let it down a bit. Is that... It's
That's moving.
That's
That's going to have to be tapped into place, I think.
it's because it's touching somewhere here, can you see?
So, just a second, then let's get a better position.
Oh,
Better.
yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go.
So it went.
Keep going. Touch more. You can get a bar in there now. Like a punch or something in there.